Hello and welcome to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. In this walkthrough, we will be walking through the screen sharing feature and how to use AI as a companion for doing any task using Gemini for Google AI Studio. Firstly, we are going to decide that we want to build some kind of application and we're going to use AI and Gemini to do that. And what I'm going to do is source the idea for this application from My First Million Vault, an amazing website that has created a directory out of My First Million, a podcast about startup, business, and ideas and entrepreneurship. So we're going to show Gemini some of these tabs and basically say, hey, like, which one should I build? To do this, we are going to visit ai.google.dev/Gemini-API. And we're going to go to try Gemini in AI Studio. And it will take you to something like this. And what we're going to want to do is go to stream real time. And what we're going to want to do is share our screen. So obviously you can talk to it. You'll see me talking to it in a little bit. You can upload a video and kind of analyze that video, or you can share your screen. So what we're going to do is share our screen and have Gemini work as a real-time assistant for us to build this startup idea. So I'm going to share my entire screen. Now it can see my
Okay, so now you are sharing your screen. Is there anything you would like me to look at?
So I actually stopped the voice recording because it will get rather annoying, but we're going to talk to it at the same time. It can see the screen and it's going to help me actually build this out. What I'm going to do this is close OBS Studio or minimize it. And I actually want this to be 2 tabs. Just so you can see what's going on. We're going to open this one. Now, from here on out, it'll be a little bit harder for me to talk directly to you in the audience as a viewer watching because I'll be talking to Gemini, but you will see how this works. Hey, Gemini, can you see my screen okay?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're showing a list of ideas with names and brief descriptions.
Yes, I want you to help me create one of the ideas. Are you ready?
Okay, I understand. You want help with brainstorming ideas. Is there a specific category or topic you'd like to focus on?
Let's choose this one by Leila Hormozi.
Okay. You want to focus on the idea by Layla Hormozi, AI personalizes bakeries. Let me know what you'd like to explore about it.
Suggest some ways that this can generate revenue and make money.
Okay, let's brainstorm ways AI personalizes bakeries can generate revenue. One way is premium pricing for personalized items, as customers may pay more for custom-made treats. Another could be subscription boxes with tailored baked goods. Also, the bakery could offer AI-driven recipe consultations.
So I think here she has use AI to determine customer preferences and cookie profiles. Can you tell me more about that?
Certainly. The idea is that AI can analyze customer data to understand their specific preferences, like flavor profiles, ingredient allergies, or dietary restrictions. This information helps create a cookie profile for each customer, allowing the bakery to make tailored suggestions and personalize products. Would you like to explore a specific aspect of this further?
Do you think this will be best as a mobile application or a web app?
The document you're showing describes an idea rather than a specific web app. It's a concept for how traditional bakeries can use AI to create personalized experiences. Would you like to discuss the feasibility of this concept or other related topics?
I want to discuss making this into a mobile application or web application. Which do you think would be best?
Okay, because AI personalizes bakeries concept into a mobile or web application. That's a great idea, and both have potential. A mobile app could offer a more personalized, on-the-go experience. A web app could be more accessible to a wider range of users. Which aspects of these platforms would you like to explore further?
Let's actually take a look at this idea by Cody Sanchez.
Okay, this is a fertility tracking idea by Cody Sanchez. It proposes a smart and user-friendly fertility tracking device with a potential companion app. What aspects of this idea are you interested in discussing?
How should I execute this for a minimum viable product?
Okay, once you execute the fertility tracking idea and develop a minimum viable product, or MVP. That's a good question to consider. To help you decide, what are some of the biggest questions or concerns you have about moving forward with this?
Is there a real demand, and can AI assist this process?
Okay, you're asking if there's a real demand for a solution like this, and if AI could help with the process. Those are very important questions to consider. What makes you curious about the demand aspect specifically, and do you have ideas about how AI could be involved?
I think large language models can really help making data more accessible, but also information more accessible and personalized to that particular user. And obviously, I'm a man, so I'm not really sure about the challenges about this.
Okay, I think language models could help make data and information more accessible and personalized for the user. You also recognize you're a man and might not fully understand the challenges of a fertility tracking app. It sounds like you are aware of the potential and limitations of your perspective. Shall we explore those ideas and challenges further?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's delve deeper into exploring language models, the challenges involved, and how they might be incorporated. Where would you like to start?
I'm sure you realize I can probably do this forever and talk to AI for a very, very long time, especially about SaaS ideas and just ideas in general. But this is a really, really interesting use of the stream real time by Gemini or Google, especially when it comes to developing ideas and developing software without coding. Here, I've used it to basically analyze this my first million volt, but you could also use it to analyze or help you with tools like Airtable or Webflow or Chip or any platform that I have a tutorial for. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and happy hacking.